Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something really handy, how to forward receive media on WhatsApp web on your PC using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to quickly share photos, videos, or files from your computer without reaching for your phone, this guide is perfect for you. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once it loads, look at the left side menu. You'll see a small media icon. This is where all your shared photos, videos, and documents are collected. Go ahead and click on that icon. Next, choose Media to open your entire library. This section displays everything that's been shared or received so you can easily find the file you're looking for. To make searching even easier, look toward the top of the window and click on the sort icon. This feature helps you organize your items based on different criteria. From the list that appears, choose Others. This will show you media that doesn't fall under the usual photo or video categories, for instance, documents, voice notes, or less common file types. Now, at the top of the media window, click on the Select icon. This enables selection mode, allowing you to choose multiple media files at once. Select all the files or media you want to forward. Once you've made your selections, locate the forward icon, which typically looks like an arrow curving to the right, and click on it. A new window will appear, letting you choose who you want to forward the files to. Pick your recipients. You can select one person, a group, or even multiple chats at once. After confirming your selections, hit send, and that's it. You've successfully forwarded media on WhatsApp web using the new update fast, simple, and all from your computer. If this helped you out, don't forget to share it with friends who also use WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching.